AI has the potential to revolutionize our world, but it's not without its hiccups. Today, we're diving into some of the most spectacular tech fails. Stick around, because understanding these failures could save you from a tech disaster of your own. Plus, who doesn't love a good tech fail story? Ever wondered how a sophisticated AI could go horribly wrong? These stories might surprise you. Let's catch the pulse of it. Failure 5. IBM Watson for Oncology. IBM's Watson for Oncology was supposed to revolutionize cancer treatment. Instead, it sometimes recommended treatments that were downright dangerous. It's like asking your toaster to cook a gourmet meal. It just doesn't have the nuance. Let's get specific. One case involved Watson recommending a treatment that could have caused severe bleeding. The AI was trained on a limited data set and couldn't account for the nuances of real-world medical scenarios. It was like expecting a med school student to perform brain surgery after reading a few textbooks. In another instance, Watson suggested a treatment option that was deemed inappropriate for a patient with severe bleeding risks, highlighting its inability to understand complex medical conditions fully. What did we learn? Rigorous testing and collaboration between AI developers and medical professionals are crucial. AI in healthcare needs to be as precise as a surgeon's scalpel, not as unpredictable as a coin toss. Ignoring these lessons could mean more than just a glitch. It could be a matter of life and death. Continuous improvement and validation against real-world data are essential to ensure AI systems in healthcare do not put patients at risk. Failure 4. Google Photos image recognition error. In 2015, Google Photos labeled photos of black individuals as gorillas. Yes, you heard that right. This embarrassing mistake highlighted a serious problem with racial bias in AI systems, stemming from a lack of diverse training data and insufficient testing. Let's dive deeper. The algorithm failed because it was trained primarily on images of lighter-skinned individuals. This oversight resulted in a system that couldn't accurately recognize and classify diverse faces. It's like teaching a class on world history but only covering Europe, completely missing the full picture. Following the incident, Google had to disable the gorilla label altogether, and this issue sparked widespread discussions on the importance of diversity in AI training datasets. What did we learn? Inclusive and diverse datasets are essential to prevent biased outcomes. Continuous updates and testing are needed to address emerging biases. If we don't fix these issues, AI could become the unwitting villain in its own sci-fi horror story, perpetuating discrimination and losing public trust. This incident also emphasized the need for transparency in AI development processes and regular audits to ensure fairness. Failure 3. Amazon's AI recruiting tool. Amazon's AI recruiting tool was supposed to streamline hiring. Instead, it turned into a sexist hiring manager, biased against women. The tool, trained on resumes from a male-dominated field, unfairly favored male candidates and penalized terms like women's chess club captain. Let's get detailed. The AI system was built to recognize patterns in successful resumes, which unfortunately were mostly from men due to the existing gender imbalance in tech. As a result, it effectively learned to discriminate against women. It's like teaching a dog only to fetch sticks, and then wondering why it won't fetch a ball. Moreover, the tool was found to downgrade resumes that included certain female-oriented terms, reinforcing the gender bias. What did we learn? Historical data can carry hidden biases, and careful curation is necessary. Companies must ensure their AI promotes diversity rather than perpetuating inequalities. Otherwise, we might as well have a robot telling us, "You can't sit with us." Amazon eventually scrapped the tool, acknowledging the inherent flaws and underscoring the need for continuous monitoring and refinement of AI systems. Failure 2. Uber's self-driving car accident. In 2018, an Uber self-driving car tragically killed a pedestrian in Arizona. The AI failed to recognize the pedestrian in time, revealing serious flaws in its detection systems. It's as if the car had its eyes closed while driving. Digging deeper, the AI struggled with scenarios involving jaywalking or pedestrians outside of crosswalks. The car's system was not equipped to handle unexpected human behavior effectively. It's like teaching someone to drive only in perfect conditions and then wondering why they panic in the rain. Investigations revealed that the system had failed to identify the pedestrian as a threat in time to apply the brakes, highlighting critical gaps in its programming and testing. What did we learn? Stringent safety protocols and thorough real-world testing are essential for autonomous vehicles. Redundancy in AI systems, multiple sensors and algorithms working together is crucial to ensure safety. Without these measures, the future of autonomous driving could be as disastrous as a teenager driving on their first day with a license. lessons. The incident led to increased scrutiny and more stringent regulations for testing autonomous vehicles, emphasizing the need for continuous improvement in AI safety mechanisms. Failure 1. Microsoft's Tay AI chatbot. Microsoft's Tay, launched on Twitter in 2016, quickly turned into a PR nightmare. Within 24 hours, Tay was spewing offensive content thanks to trolls teaching it bad behavior. It was like letting a parrot loose in a frat house. Utter chaos. Going further, Tay was designed to learn from interactions with users, but it didn't have safeguards against negative influences. Trolls exploited this, feeding it harmful content until Tay became a digital menace. It's like putting a sponge in dirty water and wondering why it comes out dirty. Microsoft had to shut Tay down quickly and issue apologies, realizing the AI's vulnerability to malicious input. What did we learn? Ethical guidelines and moderation protocols are crucial for AI systems. The Tay incident also showed the risks of unsupervised machine learning in uncontrolled environments. If we don't heed these lessons, we might end up with more AI systems behaving like unruly teenagers on social media. This failure highlighted the importance of implementing robust filters and monitoring systems to prevent such incidents from recurring. These AI failures are more than just entertaining stories. They're valuable lessons that drive the evolution of AI development. By learning from these mistakes, we can create smarter, safer, and more ethical AI systems. If you enjoy this video, drop a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the world of AI. Together, let's stay ahead of the pulse. Which AI failure surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the latest AI trends and innovations. Thanks for watching the AI Pulse.